This is the beginning of a very dramatic move on Hamster Kombat. Look at it here. Market drop all the way to the downside, and then from this very point of important support, market begin to move all the way upward. And right now, is market going to move all the way to the upside? That is what I'll be talking about in this video. So if you are a Hamster Kombat holder, watch this video all the way to the very end. And Bitcoin is going to move all the way to $100,000 before the end of this year. And we're going to show you why I believe Bitcoin is going to move all the way to this very price level of $100,000 right here, and many more in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Hamster USDT market has been dropping since listing. Okay, so after 24 hours of listing, we see the market begin to drop all the way to the downside from this very area. Market move upward for retracement, come to the downside, retracement, and the market drop all the way to this very point, form a very strong support level. If you use the Fibonacci retracement tool and you begin to look at this very point where the market moved from drastically, you discover that the market have retraced significantly all the way to the downside, and this very price level was the 0.786 level, which mean market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside. So when market retrace this much, it means that the bulls were not in control of the market. Therefore, right here, as a result of this very bullish candle spike to the upside 2 days ago, it means that the market have capacity right now to begin to move all the way to the upside. What that means is, if you are holding Hamster, expect the market to continue this movement all the way to the upside. That is what I am looking at right now. Market should continue this very move we are seeing right now on the chart all the way from this very point to the upside. Of course, we're going to be seeing market retracement and continuation as market begin to move all the way to the upside. So I'm looking at market making a very significant move into this very area right here of 0.001. Okay, this very point on Hamster before the end of this year. That is my own personal expectation. So expect the market to move a little bit upward to this very area of 0.01 on Hamster, and before market hit this, we're going to see the market move upward just like it's moving right now. It's going to move and then come back down, move, come back down, move, come back down before it will approach this very level before the end of this very year. And this is what I am paying attention to right now, because we can see crazy spike in the next coming days and week all the way from here to the upside on Hamster, and that is what you need to pay attention to as Hamster Kombat holder, especially if you get this very token from airdrop. And this is what you must have to pay attention to right now, because the market is already ablaze for this very bull market. And Bitcoin price prediction, I believe before the end of this very year, market on Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000. That is at this very price level right here, which is what I am considering right now. So markets have broken a very key level which we need to pay attention to right here. Look at it at this very point. We have a very strong resistance. So strong resistance right at this very area is what was critical right here for me. And then last week we see this very breakout of this very candle. Remember, I am on the 1 week chart. So what this mean, a breakout, which mean market have high capacity of running this move all the way to the upside. We may see the market retrace just little as market begin to move all the way to the upside. So for those of us that are day trader, you don't expect massive retracement in a bull market. Market can only retrace slightly and move to the upside, retrace slightly and move to the upside. In that progression is what you should expect when it comes to the bull market. Don't expect an aggressive retracement all the way to the downside. So what you should be expecting right now is for the market to move all the way gradually into the $100,000 level for Bitcoin before the end of this year. This is BTC USDT 2024 price prediction. And this is very important for all of us trading crypto. Why? Because the market moving upward for Bitcoin approaching $100K mean a lot to us right now, because market is going to move all the way on every other pair in the market. And this is what you must have to pay attention to as well on your chart. And this is what I am looking at. And this is the 1 week chart. If you go a little bit down to the 4-hour chart, you discover that the market have a lot of momentum to still move all the way to the upside. Look at it here. Market move after the US presidential election. That was on the 6th of this very month. Okay, and market begin to move all the way to the upside. From here, we see this movement, retracement, market move, and then we have retracement right here. And then if you look at this very point on the 5th and on the 6th, this is when we see this aggressive move to the upside that break this very important barrier, which was a resistance in the market. Then after this breakout, market have been moving all the way to the upside. What I am expecting right now is very, very simple. Since market not move in a parabolic manner, market have to retrace a little bit before continuation all the way to the upside. So what I am expecting right now is a mini retracement, okay, just like we see in this very region. So what you should be expecting as well, if you trade Bitcoin, especially if you're trading on futures, is for the market to retrace. And that retracement should be a very little retracement, because the momentum we are seeing on the 1 week supersede what we are looking at right now on the 1 day. What that means is expect the market to move up a little bit, approaching $82,000 and $83,000, and then we are going to see the market retrace between this very level of $80,000 right here and $83,000, a little retracement to the downside, maybe below 79 and to 78 right at this point. Then we will see the market begin to move up again in this very up progression, and this is what you must have to pay attention to. The most important thing is, if you are holding for long term, this is the best time to buy your best crypto, because you don't have to wait for retracement to come in, because you will not know the exact point that this retracement is going to end before the next move to the market. So if you are planning to hold for long term, just buy the market where it is right now for the market to begin to move upward, because that is very, very definite. Market is going to move upward, and don't expect too much retracement in the market, and that will be very dangerous. And also, if you are trading futures, please avoid taking short opportunity. Short opportunity is a very dangerous thing for you to do right now. Don't expect any coin to do very, very aggressively all the way to the downside. You will not see that very move coming into the market, especially on altcoins, because if Bitcoin and Ethereum is moving parabolically to the upside, definitely every other coin is going to move also parabolically to the upside. So you looking for a short position on Bitcoin or any other crypto will be the worst position or idea you are taking for your position. Instead, look for buy opportunity in the long term, and then reduce your leverage and use a good or reasonable margin for your liquidation price to be at a very far distance from your entry. So this is what you have to do right now, guys. This is very important for all of us that is holding Bitcoin, or if you're holding Ethereum or that layer 1, layer 2, DeFi, AI, or meme token. Pay attention to all of this. So as Bitcoin move all the way to $100,000 before the end of this year, what are you looking at on other altcoins? I am looking at Ethereum do $4,000 and $4,500 as Bitcoin approach the $100,000 level at this very point before the end of this very year. This is my personal opinion and projection for Bitcoin price, in as much as this very strong resistance have been broken in the market. Just as you can see right now, it means that market have capacity to move all the way to the upside. Look at what happened in the past when such a resistance was broken. Look at it here. Market break resistance. So this resistance broke in the past. What happened? Market begin to move upward. And if you look at this very resistance right here, is just one candle. So we can see 2, 3, 4, 5 candles moving all the way to the upside on the 1 week chart. So expect this market to still continue all the way to the upside into the $100,000 level right here, right now. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. And if you've not checked out my video on Casper and the reason why you need to invest in Casper, check right here at this very corner and you will see that very video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.